Hey guys, it's me, Ghost Lord Lambert, and today I'm bringing you a unboxing video of the Mega Evolution Charizard Y box and a Furious Fist box, and these in the Pokeball I got from Toys R Us in a set, and I got Fletchling, a stand for Fletchling to sit on. So it's like pretty much like that, so it can stand like that. And it came with a Ultra Ball as well, which I think's cool. And when I get my Pokemon costume sorted out, I'm going to be using that. I also bought these as well, that were a double pack, an Eevee, and my favourite Pokemon from X and Y, Froakie. And also, while I were in Toys R Us, I bought these as well, which are styluses for the DS. There's a Fennekin, Chespin, which they're all the same length, and then again another Froakie. And the other weekend I was at a convention on my birthday, and I bought these as well while I was there, all handmade. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but I did buy the gym badges for the Johto region. I got all them. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for them, but I know it was a lot less than the ones you can get online. We'll get started with unboxing the Mega Evolution Charizard Y box. So recently I have been playing a little bit, well, not a little bit, I have been playing quite a bit of Pokemon, and I have enjoyed playing on it. And what I've decided to do, I haven't restarted my Pokemon Y, well, X or Y game, but what I'm doing is I'm going through the entire game, from start to finish, keeping my character how it is, and then going from start to finish with the team that Ash has on the X and Y anime. And I'll move that one for now. The box, I think's quite cool and detailed. Tells you what's in it. There's the promo card, Mega Evolution Charizard X, all the types on the side, on the back as well, both Mega Evolution Charizards, telling you about Charizard and again what's in the box. And then Mega Evolution Charizard box with X and Y again. And then that's obviously the top. It is quite hard doing it with one hand because I haven't got a stand for like my phone, because it's a little bit awkward. The phone I've got is an Android, but it's an Alcatel, so I haven't got a case for it. So inside the box we have 3 more booster packs with a Mega Lucario. I forgot what that one is. I know it's a second evolution of Tyrant, the T-Rex Pokemon, and Mega Evolution Heracross. And then I've obviously got Hawlucha as well that I bought separately. And then we have the Mega Evolution Y giant Pokemon card, which I think is quite cool. And to compare it for size, that's my laptop screen. I think it's only 15.5 inch, I think. I'll have to have a look at the box, and that's basically how big it is compared, and also to a packet as well, so which is quite big. Now I think that's decent. I really like the artwork on Charizard. And then, oh, sorry about that. And then the back's just the standard Pokemon card. And then I shall try and get the card out without damaging it with one hand, which might be an issue. Might be able to get it with one hand, but I can't guarantee it. I'm just going to pause so I can get the card out, and I'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, I'm back. I've got the promo card out, and it does look cool. Oh, look at the artwork on that, and the shiny part, well, on the hollow part. And there's the moves for it. No, that's what I forgot to do for that one. The move, I don't know if you saw it. I've never heard of Crimson Drive before. Alright, so I'll open the individual pack if I can on my own. Well, with one hand. Might be able to, but I might not. So I might have to just pause so I can get the... Oh! I did it! Wow. Right, so we have Electabuzz, Gothita, Makuhita, Lickitung, Poliwag, Sail Fossil. I have actually been looking for this because in some of my other packs of cards I got I think, is it Amoras? Amora there. I have been looking for it because I've got one of them, and I've just been trying to get the Sail Fossil in the other packs that I've got. Raichu, Vigroth, a reverse Machop, which is quite cool, and we have a Drapion. Not as good pack as I thought it were going to be, but I've still got some decent cards in. I think there's some of them in there that I haven't got twice as well. Again, Electabuzz, another Lickitung, Noibat, a Plusle, which I always thought it were a Pulsum Minum. I never saw an L on it, even in the actual Pokemon game. I misread it until I started watching the Jay Witts and his fiancée Renee do the unboxings, and she said Plusle. I did actually do a little bit of looking on Pokedexes on internet, and it is actually a Plusle, so it was just me reading it wrong. Trapinch, Amora to match the fossil, a Selgar, I think that is, a Mountain Ring, a reverse Pokemon Reporter, which is the first one I've got, and a Magmortar. Quite decent cards as well. The next pack. So Slakoth, Cubchoo, Scroopy to match the Drapion, Eevee, Patrat, Hitmonchan, Dedenne. That's the first Dedenne I've got. It looks so cute in that. Mienshao, I think. A reverse Torchic. And a Holo Noivern, which is quite cool. And now the last packet, and then after I've done this I'll wrap the video up. And Torchic, Clefairy, Pikachu, Magmar, Clauncher, Vibrava, Dedenne, Battle Reporter, Gothitelle, reverse Gothitelle, and a Leafeon, which is just a normal one, just like the Magmortar and Drapion. That's been my Pokemon unboxing with a little surprise with these. With what I've bought as well, like over the past week or so. And when I were at the convention, I also bought this as well, Ash Ketchum's cap. I do really like it, and I've been using it for like my average everyday cap for the past week or so. And I think that's it, guys. I'll wrap this video up, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more, and I'll gladly see you next time. Thanks for watching, see ya, bye.